In this video, we are going to see the option of consolidating the purchase requisitions which are generated in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. So previously we have made a video on about how to create a purchase requisitions from procurement and sourcing module and how to convert it into a RFQ. But the question one of our friend has asked is, if we have created multiple purchase requisitions in our system, how to consolidate the purchase requisitions for a specific item and then negotiate it with the vendors. Is there any option available in the standard or not? So that's what we are going to see in today's video. So let's say if we have generated multiple purchase requisitions, I cannot, as a purchase manager, go to individual purchase requisitions and see what are the lines for which purchase requisition has been raised. So it is not easy for me, right? So each and every purchase requisition I cannot check, and which is approved or not, and which are all the lines, how many quantity has been raised. So there are multiple questions for this consolidation purpose, right? So I will not be able to consolidate the purchase requisitions. But what is the need for consolidating the purchase requisitions? First of all, the thing is, like, if you are consolidating your purchase requisition lines from multiple purchase requisitions, then you can increase your negotiating power with your vendors. So instead of saying, hey, I'm buying 10 quantity of a particular item number, I can say, hey, I am, because of five purchase requisitions, I'm planning to buy 100 quantities of the same item number. So give me a better price. So you can negotiate a better price, or a handling cost, or your shipping cost, whatever it may be, or you can ask for a special turnaround discount. So all of these are possible by consolidating your purchase requisitions. So in order to do that, actually you need to navigate to procurement and sourcing module, and click on purchase requisitions, and under approved purchase requisition processing you have consolidation opportunities, right? This is a standard feature. Using this consolidation opportunity, you will be able to consolidate the approved purchase requisitions. So I will show you in the screen right now. Just click on new and create an opportunity ID for this. Let's say we are creating an opportunity ID 102030. So after creating this opportunity ID, there is if you want to change the currency, you can change that, or that if there is any target end date until which you want to have this opportunity, you can provide that. And then click on OK. After creating the opportunity, then now a new opportunity ID is created. Now you just click on add to opportunity. In this lines, you will be able to see all the approved purchase requisition lines will be available in this page. So if I click on add to opportunity, so here you will see all the purchase requisition IDs where they are approved, and along with the item numbers, and purchase requisition ID will be available. Here you can also view the quantity. So let's say, for example, I have approved purchase requisition for this item number 4401. So I filter this item 4401, then I click on apply, and I can see all the purchase requisition IDs for which are approved in the system, right? So let's say, so this is the requirement which I have. So if I directly create a purchase order for this particular purchase requisition, then I might be placing an order for around 500 or 600 odd quantity. But by using this consolidation opportunity, I see that in the system there are around a requirement for about I will show you the footer. If I sum it, you see I have a requirement for actually 2643 quantities. So I will be able to better negotiate the price with the vendors using this quantity of 2643 instead of directly placing the order only for 120, right? So now what I can do is I can select the respective lines and then click on OK. So once I click on OK, so you see all the lines are added to the system from the approved purchase requisitions. So from the approved purchase requisition, now I see all the lines are added. So now I know instead of maybe 120 or 212 quantity, I need to raise a purchase order for around 2600 quantity. So with this, I can negotiate the price with the vendors, right? So in this screen, I can also view the total quantity, which is actually for which I am going to base a purchase order. So after negotiating the price with the vendor, I can do a bulk edit So I can select all the lines and I click on bulk edit. Let's say I am requesting for this consolidation on 9 Jan, and then I have negotiated a new price. Let's say it is maybe $2.5, and then if I want to apply any new cash discount amount, then I can do that. Or if I want to apply any new discount percent, let's say I have negotiated a discount percent of 1% over and above this, and then I can select the vendor to whom I'm going to place this particular order. Let's say this compact. I can also put a reference consolidation quotation number. Consolidation quotation number is just a reference used for reference purpose. You can mention this if you want, or you can leave it blank. And the moment if I click on apply to lines, so all the lines are updated with the unit price which I have negotiated with my vendor offline, and then the net amount is calculated. And you can also see the discount percent 1% which we have negotiated with the vendor is also applied to the lines, right? So by using this option, so I will be able to create a consolidation opportunity from the approved purchase requisitions, and raise a consolidation opportunity for the respective items, and then negotiate it with vendor and update the negotiated unit price along with the discount or if anything is applicable, and then I can save it and I can close this opportunity. So the moment I close this opportunity, I'm saying that hey, I have finalized the price with a specific vendor, and I'm going ahead and create confirm a purchase order with the particular vendor, right? So I can select all. Here also you can either release it line level, or you can release it at the header level also. If I'm going to release it at the line level, select the respective lines and create the purchase order. Or if I'm going to release at the header level, system will generate the purchase order for the complete consolidation opportunity which you have created. So I click on the header level, so immediately system D365 will create a purchase order for this particular item. You see your sum of 30 has been created. So let's go to the purchase order page. So if I go to the purchase order page and then I open the respective purchase order number 30, so whatever the item number along with the respective quantity, you see the item number along with the respective quantity, the purchase order has been raised. So here multiple lines are created still because it depends on the site and warehouse requirements of the quantity. It's this is created in multiple lines based on the unit price which we have negotiated, and it also applied the discount percent 1% with which we want to create a purchase order. So the purchasing manager have successfully negotiated the price, successfully first of all consolidated the requirement from the purchase requisitions, negotiated the price, and then created the purchase order directly from consolidation opportunities. So user can create a purchase order from consolidation opportunities also. So now I taught you one more idea on how to create a purchase order from consolidation opportunities, right? So once the purchase order is created, the status of the opportunity becomes closed. It will not be in open, right? So it becomes closed. Also, you might be wondering whether the purchase requisition, once if it is approved, generally it will be released from approved purchase requisitions. Release approved purchase requisition, right? So that is the standard process. But if it is processed through consolidation opportunities, then those approved purchase requisitions will be removed from this form also. So you don't need to worry about whether it will be released again in the purchase order or not, what will the batch job will do. So you don't need to worry about all those stuffs. So once if it is released from consolidation opportunities, those purchase requisition IDs will be removed from release approved purchase requisitions, right? So this is the standard process on consolidating the approved purchase requisitions, and then you can go ahead and negotiate a price with your vendors and then place a purchase order based on the negotiated price, right? So that's the topic for the today. So if you wish to follow my profile to know about more videos and topics on Microsoft Dynamics 365, please do the same, and I will catch you up soon in another video or document regarding Microsoft Dynamics 365. Thank you.